Signal suggests you're 2 clicks southeast.
I heard it was you who recommended this contact to command. Who is he?
Just a two-bit hustler. Real lowlife. Tried to sell some cat-piss booze while we were stationed in Afghanistan. But if anyone can worm himself into hostile territory, trust me, it's him. He'll lead us to Vladik.
To evidence, you mean?
Right. Hold up. Armor 12 o'clock. I digress. Derelict post-Soviet junk 12 o'clock. Now the one fixing the armor's engine, right side. Clean kill. Follow me.
Sure wish the spooks wouldn't set up meets in the heart of a war zone.
Yeah. Don't they bury bodies in the woods anymore?
Always the cynic. From what I hear, the guy's chicken shit. Insisted we RV at that specific location. Mentioned we can get premium pictures there.
Nice shot, partner. Movement inside. We're going in low. I'm on point. Cover my back.
Will do.
Heads up. 2. 3 tangos. 1 in the window, 2 outside. Engage on my call. First mark on the left side of the building having a smoke. End it. Clean kill. Guy with the radio on the right's next. Last target, first floor building window. Landed on target.
Patrol incoming.
Oh shit, follow my lead. Quiet. Hold it. Don't budge. On me. Fucker's mine.
Seems they're moving into the city. Gotta close this deal fast. Bigger guns don't win wars anymore.
And paying off lowlifes in dirty alleys does.
It's not just like that. Word and image are as powerful as a bullet, and we need political pull to get this done.
Fuck. It's getting harder and harder to love my country, man. Hold. Area below's too dense to pick a firefight. We'll have to slip by. Follow me. Stay frosty.
Sure thing, Chief.
Tango front. Leave him. He's overexposed. On me. Another one to the right. No shot.
Sranje, šta je to bilo?
Stop. Let's go. Careful. Another two-man patrol. Let him pass. Follow me. contact up front. Take him out, quietly.
Hell is that?
It's not a smoke pop. Would have blown over by now. Let's just cross it as fast as possible. Oh, fuck! On the ground!
It was a close call, Carl. Remind me to never listen to you again.
Don't get cold feet on me now, partner. Sniper for you, up high. Let's step it up a notch. Think you can line up a double kill? Nice. Guy on the left's easy pickings now.
Probably remnants of Croatian Air Force trying to get a foothold. Must be nuts flying in so low into the AA gunners' noses.
I don't give a fuck! This is our RV at the other side of that square! I hope you brought some plastic, otherwise we're gonna have to $100 bills on those guns and wait till they get stripped of parts!
Yeah, I have them. Just hoping these flyboys will take a hike once we've done their job. Cover me, I'm going in. Charge is set!
Get some distance and blow him to Kingdom Come!
AA crew dispatched!
Get a move on! Take the other gun down! Okay, never mind! Score one for the away team! Move to the last!
Now tell them for how long we need to disappear!
Meet you by the underpass entrance further on. Good job, Cole.
Hardball Maddox giving a pat on the back. Whew, never thought I'd see the day.
Our guy should be on the other side of this underpass. Come on. Someone's coming in here.
Rekao sam da ću ti reći. Samo mi prvo treba nekoliko kartona cigareta. Gde smo pričali? Ajde sad. Adresa ne vredi. Jednostavno ponuda i potražnja. Ti si pametan momak. Zaboravi. Zadržit ću svoje cigarete. Javi se kada predomisliš. Šta je bilo, momče?
Fuck, run!
Imam kontakt! Stani! Pomalo!
Faster! Cole, cover me! I'm setting a charge! Covering fire!
Hurry up, shit's getting hairy!
See that? Shut up and let me work! Go, go, go!
Imam kontakt!
Ugh. 2 hours and I already have some.
You are Anderson, yes?
Marinov?
The one and only. You have heard of me, huh?
You can fax me your resume later. We're on the clock.
You Americans are always running around, busy, busy. You need to learn to relax. A bottle of Russian vodka, a pretty girl to keep you warm. I would be happy to help you with this, huh?
Maybe later. I'm told you know the way to Vladik's camp.
Yes, I'm afraid so. I wish that I would never lay eyes on that terrible place again. But the ghosts of Vladik's victims demand justice. That is the reason we are here, yes?
That and a briefcase full of untraceable $100 bills.
I do not think your partner likes me.
I don't like you either, but we didn't come here to make friends. The sooner you get us to Vladik's camp, the sooner you collect your money and get back to your busy social life.
Say no more. Follow me.